Hey guys, it's James from the Chart Guys. It's Sunday, October 16th. I just want to do a quick pre-week video going into next week and what setups I'm looking for in the commodities market. We'll start with gold in this video. Currently gold, I'm looking at the RSI here and you can see that it's well under 30. It's been well under 30 for days and gold seems to be basing here. We are trying to head towards a bullish MACD here. And the reason why I'm looking at this RSI under 30 here is look at the past history performance of gold on bounces when the RSI is so oversold. Obviously here, huge move. Here, pretty good bounce here. Let's see. Here, had a nice bounce there. Here, another nice bounce. Here, we had a short-term bounce and headed down. But still, regardless, we had a okay size bounce, but something to be wary about is that it did go down more. Here had a nice size bounce. Here we had a nice size bounce. So based on the RSI on the daily, I'm really favoring the bulls here. Obviously they have a lot of work to do after this correction, but it does look like gold is forming a base here, and with the RSI being oversold, I am leaning towards a bull bounce in miners in this midterm that's coming up. So watch for that in this coming week. Also on the weekly, this is kind of big, is that on the weekly last week, we formed an inside candle. Let me zoom in here for you guys. Inside candle where the high and low of this candle is within the range of the high and low of this candle. And depending on how this week's candle forms, that'll give us a direction in which way gold will go. Based on the RSI, I am expecting it to close above the high of this candle, which is 1266.80. Obviously, a close below this or a break below this at 1246.90 would be bearish for gold, and we could see some more downside. But I'm expecting either gold to break above 1266.80 or form another inside candle, meaning that the range will be tightening and we'll have another candle, or the high and low of this week's candle will be in the high and low of the previous candle. So something to watch for is to watch for a break of 1266.80 based on the oversold RSI on the daily. So that's what I'm going to be watching for this week. I would be leaning slightly bullish going into this week based on, again, on that RSI and past performance. In the years I've gone back, every time the RSI is this low, the gold bulls do bounce pretty significantly. So look for some upside in the midterm. Have a good weekend, and I will see you tomorrow at Market Open.